Hi, I'm Teacher Tink. Today, I'd like to teach you about how good writers use temporal words or transition words in their writing. Temporal words are just special words that help your reader know what order events happen in. They can also help you list steps in order. There are quite a few transition words, but the most common are first, next, then, and last. For example, let's say I'm writing about my day. I want to use transition words to help my reader know what order events happen in. Let's see. I wake up and give Luna kisses. I also eat breakfast, and brush my hair. To help tell the order of these things, I can say first, I wake up and give Luna kisses. Next, I eat breakfast. And last, I brush my hair. Let's try using this strategy. First, think about something you want to write about that has a lot of steps or events. Next, say your events or steps out loud and use your fingers to track them. Last, add transition words to your events. Wow, I even used a lot of transition words to just explain those steps. Nice work, writers. Now you're ready to write and use transition words to help you. Maybe even in one of our writing prompts. See you next time.